Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to power off or restart your iPhone 10R in a few different ways. So if you have this phone, first way and the simplest way to power off your iPhone 10R is by using one of the volume up or volume down button with a combination of this side button. So you're going to press either the volume up or volume down at the same time while you're pressing the side button for about 3 to 5 seconds. So I'm going to press and hold the volume up and the side button just like that until this menu pops up, and after that you can just slide to power off, which will turn off your iPhone. Now the second method is by simply going into your setting of your iPhone, and once you go into your setting of your iPhone, you're going to look like this. You're just going to go to general and scroll all the way down where you have shutdown, and once you click on shutdown, it's going to say the same exact thing where you can simply slide to power off. Now a third method is by using your voice to activate Siri to turn off your iPhone. You can say, "Hey Siri," if you have "Hey Siri" turned on, or you can press and hold this side button until Siri turns on and tell Siri to power off. So I'll go ahead and do that. "Hey Siri, power off."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And after that, like with the first two methods, this will also turn off your iPhone. Now, when you see the screen is black, give yourself about 15 to 20 seconds for the phone to completely turn off. And once it's turned off, we need to go ahead and turn it back on. Now, to turn it back on, it's going to be really simple. You're just going to press and hold this side button until you see the Apple logo appear. At that time, once you see the Apple logo appear, you'll let go of that side button. Now, for some reason it doesn't turn on like that, or the side button isn't working, you can also go ahead and connect it to the charger. So if you have a charger, you can go ahead and just plug it into the charger, and that will automatically force the phone to turn on, as well as it's a mechanism for the phone if it's turned off, and it will turn it back on, and you'll be able to get back onto your iPhone. And that's how you turn off or restart your iPhone 10R. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.